Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Sonata grille. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket with a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Having these ready will make the process much smoother. Remember to work in a safe, well-lit area and consider wearing gloves and eye protection. Now, let's begin by opening the hood. You will find several plastic push pins, typically between 7 and 9, securing the top of the bumper cover to the radiator support. Carefully remove these using your trim tool or a flathead screwdriver. Next, turn your front wheels to gain better access to the wheel wells. On each side, remove one screw and 3 plastic push pins that connect the bumper to the fender liner. With the top and sides loosened, move to the underside of the vehicle. Here, you will find around 5 to 6 screws or bolts, often 10mm, securing the bottom of the bumper. Remove these carefully. Now, gently pull the bumper cover outward from the fender near the headlights to release the remaining clips. If your vehicle has fog lights or daytime running lights, remember to disconnect their electrical connectors before fully removing the bumper. With the bumper cover now detached, you can access the grille. The grille is typically held by 4 screws and several plastic locking tabs around its perimeter. Use your Phillips head screwdriver for the screws and a flat head or trim tool to carefully pry and release the tabs. Once all fasteners are removed, the grille will come free. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips snap securely and screws are tightened.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.